This is Geometry Lesson 7.2, and on this lesson we're going to talk about a new transformation called reflections. So reflection is a fancy way to say flip. So you can think about seeing your reflection in the mirror. You see a mirror image of yourself basically flipped over. Just like our translations, we can do a horizontal reflection, which is also called a reflection over the y-axis. That's flipping our shape sideways. We can do a vertical reflection or a reflection over the x-axis, and that would be reflecting our shape vertically, up and down. Here are the rules for doing that. So to reflect a shape horizontally, we take the x-coordinate and change it negative, but the y-coordinate stays exactly the same. To do a vertical reflection, the x-coordinate stays exactly the same, and the y-coordinate flips to a negative. So I have a shape here, and I'm going to put the coordinates of that shape underneath it. So I can get the whole thing on there. The coordinates of A are right here. That is 1 over and 1 up. So the coordinates would be 1, 1. Sorry, I'm having a problem with my marker. Okay, so 1, 1 for A. Letter B is 1 over and 6 up, so that would be 1, 6. Letter C is 5 units to the right and 4 units up, so 5, 4. And letter D is 6 units to the right and 2 units up, so 6, 2. Now in order to perform a horizontal reflection, we keep the x-coordinate exactly the same. So all of the x's here would just transfer straight over. Oh, I'm messing up. All of the x-coordinate changes to a negative. So all of those x-coordinates turn negative. And then all the y-coordinates would stay exactly the same. So 1 stays 1, 6 stays 6, 4 stays 4, and 2 stays 2. So then if we wanted to graph this reflection, A prime would be negative 1, 1, that's left 1, up 1. And that would be our new A. B prime would be negative 1, 6, that's left 1, up 6. That's our new B prime. C prime would be negative 5, 4, that is left 5, up 4. And D prime would be negative 6, 2, that is left 6, up 2. So if we connect these points, A to B, B to C, C to D, and D back to A, we see a mirror image of that original flipped over, the y-axis. So for our vertical reflection, we're going to take these same coordinates from the original figure, and we're going to keep the x-coordinate exactly the same, and the y-coordinates will turn negative. And then when we graph these points, we'll see that it flips over the x-axis, so it flips down. So 1, negative 1 means right 1, down 1. Oops, and then I got 2 lines there because it's double prime, or the second image. 1, negative 6 means right 1, down 6. C is 5 right and 4 down. D is 6 down. Sorry, 6 right and 2 down. 6 right and 2 down. And then we connect all of those in order, and again we should see a mirror image where the green one is flipped down. And that is it for our reflections. You should be able to go on to the exercises. Please let me know if you have any questions.